Thank you very much. I'm starting a rumor tonight that the 7-county Lincoln Day will spread. There will be 6 Lincoln Days next year all over the state. My name is ArtMacomber. I'm pro-life, pro-gun, and pro-freedom, and I'm running for State Attorney General. I'm a husband and father, and I've practiced in Idaho courts for 15 years, arguing before the state Supreme Court 6 times. I'm going to talk about some things today, but the main thing is it's not too late to take back our state. Over the past 2 years, Idaho sacrificed its state sovereignty on the altar of the COVID pandemic in exchange for billions of federal dollars. Citizens have suffered under draconian public health measures, while Governor Little, frankly, lawlessly renewed emergency proclamations with impunity. Federal dollars are distributed without enabling legislation contrary to the Idaho Constitution. If Mr. Little's endless renewals of emergency proclamations have taught us anything, it's that Idaho is vulnerable to both executive overreach from the federal and state governments. The Attorney General is the only constitutional officer with the power to defend the people, to uphold the Constitution when their rights are under attack by state and federal entities. However, our current Attorney General has publicly said that his job is to provide legal defense and representation to the executive branch and the governor, not the people. If I had been your Attorney General during the past 2 years, I would have joined the Texas versus Pennsylvania election integrity lawsuit. Yes, there's a way to do that. I would have issued a public legal opinion at the first renewal of the governor's emergency proclamation so that you all could see in plain English. And if Mr. Brad Little decided to renew his proclamation a 3rd time, I would have sued him to check that power for operating outside of his constitutional and statutory authority. That's what checks and balances is all about. Now look, these are not radical actions. Our founding fathers designed these 2 documents, anticipating abuse of power. The Idaho Constitution, the federal. It's as natural as the sun and the rain. We do it to curb our human nature, keep our government in check. What's shameful here is not to exercise the constitutional checks and balances that Americans have bled and died to protect. It's time for Idahoans to take back their state. Now, my candidacy offers the only chance to take back our civil republic. Let's start with the fact that I'm a lawyer. Okay, I'm not a career politician. I'm not beholden to any special interests. And I'm a proven fighter. The AG's job is a law job. This is not a policy job. This is a law job. I stepped out of the courtroom and into this race to fight for Idaho. My skills are sharp, and I can take a punch as well as give one. You need a fighter in Idaho. Finally, I wrote the 2018 Idaho Constitutional Amendment to limit state executive overreach. That's Section 29 of Article 3. I've been fighting for you already. Let me fight some more. As your next Attorney General and the top cop, I will use my power to implement a freedom-oriented agenda and expand your constitutional freedoms with respect for Idaho values, not to be limited. So, join other freedom-loving Idahoans on May 17 and vote for me for Idaho State Attorney General. I ask for your prayers as we continue and fulfill that dream in this race. May God make it so. Thank you.